Well, good morning. It looks like it's 26 degrees out. Whew, it's a little chilly. This is Linda. Welcome to our channel, Seed Faith Homestead. We're glad you're here. Thanks for joining us. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. I am headed out to take care of the pigs and the chickens and let them out for the day, give them their food, get them fed. So, come along with me. See some of our cabbage leaves. We have, forgot the top of the door, hold on. We harvested our cabbage, and that's some of the leaves that were from the bottom of it that we gave to the pigs. Looks like they've eaten quite a bit of it. They act like they're starving, and they've had that all night, so. I think I would call them a little dramatic. So, do y'all like my new hat? I just finished crocheting it, so I've been having a good time crocheting, making some hats and things. Russell says I should sell some items. Still wondering about that. I don't know. I guess I could. You know, the market's so saturated with people selling items, especially on Etsy and places. So I had a suggestion, maybe I could do a Facebook page. So, I don't know. I might try it. We'll see. All right, girls. I hear you. So they're gonna pick up the tripod instead of going to eat. Hey, girls. We're gonna have to do something with this latch. Whew, I cannot get it in there. I think it should be okay during the day. I think the door maybe has shrunk from the cold weather. And so now the latch won't reach over there without much effort. And considering my fingers are now frozen, can't do it. Well, y'all stay tuned. We've got a little more we may show you today. Here's the garden with frost on it. Got to get that other cabbage picked today. I think I'm going to try and save some of those leaves too. And maybe freeze them, dehydrate them, make some coleslaw or some sauerkraut. So I'm not sure. See you later. Hey, we're back. So this is what we have. We have purchased some grapes to plant this season. This particular one, oh, there it is. Sorry, I couldn't remember what I got. It's a flame seedless grape. So you can see. So we're very excited to get these planted. I have 2 of each variety. So I have 2 of these, and the first thing we have to do is soak the roots and cover them up, keep them out of the sun. So the hardest part of it was getting this little, it's like a twist tie, but it's metal. So I had to get that off. But I'm just opening this bag to lay it down in the container so I can soak it in water. One down. 3 more to go. There's Russell out there digging our holes. You ready? Not to cut too deep. I don't want to damage the roots. These bags are booger to tear. And that was the seedless flame, 2 of the seedless flame. And then I have 2 Thompson seedless grapes. So I'm just going to get these last 2 opened and I'm going to get these last 2 open and soak the roots in water. Okay, so we've got all the holes dug. They're here in a line, and we're just going to start planting them. There. Some loose dirt in Now I'm going to water it before I put some more dirt in. This is just some good potting soil that was in the bags when we purchased the grapes. Think that's good?
Water it again.
Soaked it really good. It says never to tamp it down really hard, just let it go like that. So now we have 3 more to go. Thanks for joining us, guys. Appreciate it. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. If you haven't, please subscribe. Please press that thumbs up and leave us a comment below. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Y'all have a great day. Love you. God bless.